Valerie Bertinelli is an American actress and television personality. She was born in Wilmington, Delaware to Nancy and Andrew Bertinelli, a General Motors executive. Her father is of Italian descent and her mother is of English descent. She has three brothers, David, Patrick and Drew. An elder brother, Mark, died at 17 months from accidental poisoning before she was born. She attended Granada Hills High School and was raised Roman Catholic. Bertinelli married Eddie Van Halen on April 11, 1981. They had a son, Wolfgang. The couple separated in 2001 and divorced on December 20, 2007. In May 2010, Bertinelli announced her engagement to financial planner Tom Vitale, with whom she had begun a relationship in 2004. They were married on January 1, 2011 in Malibu, California, with Bertinelli in a custom-made dress by designer David Mister. She has 4 stepchildren through her marriage to Vitale. Both her ex-husband, Eddie Van Halen, and their son Wolfgang Van Halen attended the wedding. In 2014, she appeared on Who Do You Think You Are and found she was related to King Edward I of England. In 2015, Bertinelli began hosting 2 shows, Valerie's Home Cooking and Kids Baking Championship with cake artist Duff Goldman on the Food Network. The kids show follows young children as they bake pastries and other desserts. In 2019, Bertinelli began hosting 2 new Food Network shows, Family Food Showdown and Family Restaurant Rivals. From 2010 to 2015, she starred in the TV Land sitcom Hot in Cleveland alongside Betty White, Wendy Malick and Jane Leeves. After a successful 6-season run, the show's final episode aired on June 3, 2015. In 2001, Bertinelli joined the cast of Tossed by an Angel for the show's last 2 seasons. In the 1990s, she starred in 2 short-lived sitcoms, Sydney as the title character, a private detective, and Cafe American. In the 2005 One Day at a Time reunion special, Bertinelli was reunited with fellow cast members Bonnie Franklin, Mackenzie Phillips, and Pat Harrington Jr. to watch memorable clips from the original show's 9 seasons. They talked about actors who had left the show as well as Phillips' drug problem, which had wreaked havoc on the set and caused Phillips to be fired from the show. In 2008, she released the autobiography Losing It and Gaining My Life Back 1 Pound at a Time, which culminates in a description of her Jenny Craig diet experience. In 2009, she wrote a follow-up book Finding It and Satisfying My Hunger for Life Without Opening the Fridge.